Hey, what's up YouTube people? It's the first weekend in October, which means it's time to decorate for Halloween. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a multimedia presentation in a window of your house. To do this, you're going to need a projector, a reverse projection screen, and if the videos you're going to be playing have audio, you'll need to put a speaker somewhere behind the window so that the people outside will hear it. On our house, we have windows in our bonus room above our garage. So I like to use this center window as my projection window. And while there are many options out there for videos that you can show on these screens, I'm going to put the link to the ones that I purchased in the description below. Alright, so step one, we're going to hang the screen and set up the projector. Okay, so for this first step, this is not my first year doing this, so I'm going to be skipping a few steps that you'll have to do, but basically there's these like command hooks that I've hung above my window. They came with this screen. Got it off of Amazon. Put the link in the description below, but it's pretty much just a basic, white sheet that you hang in front of the window and you'll project stuff onto that. So the ones that I bought are vertical videos, so that they look good on this vertical window. Your results may differ. So the good thing is, since I did this last year, installation is simple and quick. That's it. So we project the image onto this screen or this sheet here, and it's visible from the outside. So I have the screen hung and raise the blinds. Should have done this before, but whatever. Put these blind strings out of the way just so they don't make a shadow on the projection. Tuck them over here inside this other blind. Same thing over here. Just to get them out of the way. Alright, hang the screen back up. Try to get as many of the wrinkles out of it as you can so you get a good quality image. Alright, so I think that's going to do it for this part. Next step is to set up the projector. I have to do that right here, change the camera around. So, be right back. Projector stand comes with a neat tripod. I'm going to skip past this for you. Don't want to bore you with all the details. Projector stand complete. So now for the projector itself. So if you haven't purchased a projector yet, I'll give you a hint. There are some out there that will allow you to rotate the image 90 degrees. This is not one of those. If this is your intent and you want to get a projector to do this, or if it's also something that you want to do, make sure you get one that will do that. Because what I'm about to do is I'm going to be hanging this thing sideways. Basically, like that. I'm going to use this elastic strap to hold it up. Need to make sure the hot exhaust side is up, so we'll put it this way. And usually I'll get another strap, maybe a tie strap or something like that, to also hold it, because this little elastic strap makes me nervous. I don't trust it to hold it for weeks. For added security, but there we go. So we'll do that. We turn it sideways, aim it at the screen. Okay, I'm going to turn the lights off and see if we can't get an initial aim and maybe see how we're doing. All right, I'm back. Got my projector hooked up to my Chromebook, the HDMI cable. This is the same Chromebook I did the unboxing and first impressions on. I'll put that link right up here in a card for you to click on. Alright, so now I'm copying the movie files onto this Chromebook. So I got these from Atmos FX, and I'll put a link in the description below. For the ones that I picked out, I got the Macabre Manor collection. So when you see what we got going on up here, that's where I got it. Now the fun part is the sun kind of came out, so I'm not very optimistic. Even though I turned the lights off up here, it's still very bright. So I don't know that I'm going to be able to do any sort of aiming or testing here this afternoon. Probably have to wait until it gets dark. Also, step one, take the lens cap off. There we go. Yeah, I can't see anything. All right, well, kind of at a pause until later this evening, so come back when it's dark. Well, so in good news, it did darken up a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but I can clearly see the image there on the screen. It's not quite big enough, and this projector does not include zoom functionality, so I have to back the projector up to get it to be a little bit bigger on the screen. There we go, I think that's going to do it. Focused. There we go. Oh, there is a zoom. Haha. That's the wrong way. Let's go. Oh, it's only zoom out, so 100% is all you can do. Okay. All right. Well, I think that's about as good as I'm going to get until it gets dark. All right. It's getting a little bit darker outside, so we can see it a heck of a lot better now. Alexa, turn off the upstairs lights. So here's where we're at. So these do have audio. Unmute. Oh, it's coming through the projector. Hold, please. Oh no, there it goes. All right, let it get a little darker outside and go get some outside footage. Sprinkling a little outside. Let's go see what it looks like. Pretty dark. Oh yeah. So there you go. Makes for a cool effect. Kind of spooky. And like I say, when it's Halloween night, I'll put a speaker in the window and you can enjoy all those sounds outside too. Okay, well it's raining out here. I'm gonna go back inside. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Till next time.